In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an eBay gift card at checkout in just a few easy steps. Whether you've received one as a gift or purchased one yourself, I'm here to help you navigate the process so you can make the most out of your shopping experience on eBay. Let's start with the basics. First things first, you'll want to log into your eBay account. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your cart and finish your purchase with ease. If you don't have an account, simply click on register and follow the prompts to create one. Once you're logged in, it's time to add an item to your cart. Browse the marketplace until you find what you're looking for and click add to cart. You can add multiple items if you wish, just ensure that all your chosen products are ready to check out simultaneously. Now that you've got everything in your cart, proceed to checkout. This button is usually in the upper right corner of your cart page and takes you to the screen where you'll finalize your purchase details. We're halfway there. As you scroll to the bottom of the checkout page, you'll see a section labeled gift cards and coupons. This part is essential and you'll find it nestled under the payment options, so make sure to look carefully. If you have a physical gift card, turn it over and gently scratch off the security material to reveal the code. If you have a digital gift card, simply copy the code provided in your email or account. Next, you'll want to enter this 13-digit redemption code into the designated box in the gift cards and coupons section. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the apply button. This action will apply your gift card balance to your total. Afterward, eBay will automatically deduct the balance of your gift card from the total amount of your purchase. If your gift card doesn't quite cover the complete cost, don't worry. You'll have the option to pay the remaining balance using other payment methods, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal or Apple Pay. A couple of important notes to keep in mind. eBay gift cards cannot be used to buy other gift cards or pay for certain digital goods. Also, make sure the seller you are purchasing from accepts eBay payments. Fortunately, the majority do, but it's always good to double check. And that's it. You've successfully applied your eBay gift card to your purchase. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your shopping. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials.